Attention operations managers! Are unplanned shutdowns, aging workforce issues, and lack of asset transparency keeping you up at night? What if I told you that you could reduce unplanned shutdowns by using our innovative condition monitoring solution? Introducing Siemens Electrification X Asset Management, a revolutionary solution that transforms how you monitor and manage your switchgear assets. By incorporating cutting-edge IoT sensors within your medium-voltage switchgears, you gain unprecedented visibility and control. These sensors act as the eyes and ears of your equipment, providing real-time insights on critical parameters. Let's explore the key functionalities. Temperature monitoring detects anomalies like overheating or loose connections. Humidity monitoring prevents corrosion and oxidation. Partial discharge monitoring identifies early signs of insulation breakdown. Circuit breaker monitoring detects anomalies in breaker operation. The data is securely transmitted to the cloud, where it's analyzed and presented in an intuitive dashboard. This allows you to monitor asset health, predict issues, and optimize maintenance schedules, all in real time. With this system, you can easily track asset performance and make informed decisions. It can increase your uptime and reduce costs significantly. Plus, your entire team can access the data, improving collaboration. Electrification X Asset Management empowers you to maximize asset value, drive efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. Say goodbye to unpredictable maintenance and costly downtime. Embrace the future of asset management with Siemens. Contact your Siemens representative today to learn how Electrification X Asset Management can transform your operations and drive long-term success.